السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. ربي يسر ولا تعسر. ربي وتمم بالخير. اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا. اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our today's session. So last week we studied passive voice, and in addition to that, we started that we will just give a couple of minutes to the uh, level 1, 2, and 3 for the revision. So we'll just spend couple of minutes today as well on the revision of level 1. Then we will go for the next topic, inshallah. So just to revise that, and today I can start with the Turhan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Turhan, can you please just make us revise the level 1, all the chapters with summary, please?
Okay. Level one.
Okay.
Okay. Level one, chapter one. Bab Fataha.
Can you
Fataha.
please speak out?
So,
Okay, go ahead.
level one, chapter one. Bab Fataha. Fataha Yaftahu. Fatha Fatha. Level one, chapter two. Bab Daraba. Daraba Yadribu. Fatha Kasra. Level one, chapter three.
Okay.
Okay. Bab Bab Nasara. Nasara Yansuru. Fatha Dhamma. Level 1, Chapter 4, Bab Samia, Samia Yasma'u, Kasra Fatha, and Level 1, Chapter 5, Bab Hasiba, Hasiba
Karuma.
He honored himself.
He honored himself. Okay, thank you. Abdul Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Can you please tell me that Kabura, on which chapter it can be fit?
كبر يكبر كرم يكرم.
Okay, what is the meaning of Kabura?
Uh,
Kabura. Do you know the meaning of Akbar? Allahu Akbar? Hmm? You did
yes,
it in. What is the meaning of Allahu Akbar?
the biggest,
Biggest? Just
big,
Allahu Akbar. What is the meaning
big.
of Allahu Akbar?
Allah is bigger.
Allah is bigger. Then can you please tell me the meaning of Kabura? It is from the same chapter.
He he was big.
He was big. Yes. Yeah. Kabura means he was big. Karuma, he was honorable. Can you please do the complete table for Kabura?
Okay. كبر كبروا كبرت كبرتم كبرتوا كبرنا يكبر يكبرون تكبر تكبرون أكبر نكبر أكبر لا تكبر
لا تكبر.
لا تكبر اكبروا لا تكبروا مكبر مكبر
أو مكبر. اسم الفاعل. Ismul file in level 1 and 2, it doesn't start with the meme. That is only in level 3. So, ukbur la takbur. Ukburu la takburu. Okay, and what is the Ismul file?
كبير
No. What is the Ismul file for Karuma?
كريم
Karimun. What about Kabura?
كبور
Again, same thing. So you have to fit it exactly. Karuma, what is Ismul file?
كريم
Karimun. Kabura?
كبير
Sharufa?
شريف
Azuma?
عظيم
Hakuma?
حكيم
Jamula?
جميل.
جميل. Okay, go ahead. Kabir. اسم
كبير.
الفاعل.
كبير.
Hmm.
آه،
And plural will be
كبيرون.
or kubara.
كبراء.
Kubara is basically we use. Okay, and keep going. Ismul maf'ul.
مكبور.
Is is there ismul maf'ul for karuma?
No.
Then kabura have no ismul. And last week we studied that if any verb doesn't have ismul maf'ul, what it is called? If any verb doesn't don't have ismul maf'ul, then what it is called? Hmm? Can you please read this?
إن فعل لازم.
What is فعل lazim?
These don't need object.
Object. So karuma, kabura, all verb which fit on karuma chapter, they don't have maf'ul because the karuma means he was honorable. He is himself is honorable. He honored himself in other way. Kabura, he was big. He was big himself. So that is fi'lul lazim. Okay, so they don't need object. So such verbs are called also fi'l lazim. Okay, what is maf'ul?
Mm,
So they don't have any maf'ul. And which a verb which don't have any maf'ul, they don't there doesn't maf'ul doesn't exist for any verb, then they are such verb is called fi'l lazim. Fi'l
فعل لازم.
and otherwise
فعل المتعدي.
this is what we did last week. Okay. And what is masdar for kabura? Kibr.
كبر.
Can you please do the complete table for sharufa?
شرف.
Sharufa means
sorry.
sharufa.
شرف.
Hmm? Sharufa meaning same like karuma.
he
He
was
was.
on he was
Yeah.
honorable.
Okay, go ahead.
شرف. شرفوا. شرفت. شرفتم. شرفتوا. شرفنا. يشفر. يشفرون. تشفر.
Yashrufu.
يشرف. يشرفون. تشرف. تشرفون. أشرف. نشرف. أ- أشرف. لا تشرف. اشرفوا. لا تشرفوا. شريف. شريف. ش... ش...
And the
شريف.
plural will be?
شريف.
Yeah, Sharif. But for the sake of pattern, we can say Sharifun. But here we said that Karimun Kurama, that is used basically. Sharifun
شرفة.
Shurafa.
شرفاء. there's no اسم المفعول and شرف.
Sharfun.
شرف.
Sharf. Sharf. Okay, Sharfun. And it doesn't have maf'ul, then what it is called?
فعل لازم.
Fi'l lazim. And what about these all verb they are called? They
فعل
have the maf'ul.
متعدي.
Fi'l mutaaddi. Those have maf'ul. And if there is no maf'ul, then their passivize will not exist. They will not have. Karuma have no passivize because it is fi'l lazim. And fi'l lazim have no passivize because they don't have maf'ul. Can you please tell me the passivize for fataha?
Mm.
This is last week lecture. Fataha. Tell me the passivize for that. Umar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum salam. Tell me the passivize of fataha.
Futiha,
And fataha means,
he opened.
and what is feminine of fataha?
Fatahat,
Passivize of fatahat.
Futiha,
Futiha.
yeah.
What is the feminine of fataha?
Fatahat,
Okay, fatahat. And what will be the passivize for that?
Futihat,
Futihat. Okay, can you please tell me the passivize for hasiba?
Hosiba,
Husiba. And what about karuma?
Karuma does not have the passibles
Why?
because there's no maf'ul.
And if any verb which have no maf'ul or it doesn't have any maf'ul, then such verb is called
فعل لازم
fi'l lazim. What about these verb? If this is fi'l lazim, what type of these verbs are? They have maf'ul. They are called fi'l muta'addi.
فعل
Repeat it. Repeat it. We did it last week. Please.
فعل متعدي.
Fi'l muta'addi have how you will define fi'l muta'addi?
If the verb has مفعول
They are called
فعل متعدي.
like, for example,
فتح ضرب نصر سمع and حسب.
Hasiba. And okay. And what is fi'l lazim?
كرم.
What is fi'l lazim? How you will define it?
If the verb does not have مفعول
Yeah, if there is no maf'ul for that verb, then that is called fi'l lazim. Like
كرم.
karuma. Okay, so this is all about that. So these are the concepts that we have to repeat again and again. And the most important thing that this chapter, it should be on our fingertips. Okay, so next topic we are going to start. We already discussed it and while we were doing second session, but we will just go ahead and just give some time for revision. And as a revision purpose, we will just revise them. And these topics are number one, nawasibul fi'lil mudare, jawazimul fi'lil mudare, and types of lam. So we will inshallah try to cover three topics, and we already knew about uh, these all three topics, and we already studied that, but they are just part of our course content in this order, so I will just follow it, but it is just for the sake of revision, just, and they are very important. First is this is there, that is called nawasibul fi'lil mudare. Nawasib mean nasab, plural of nasab is nawasib. It's mean there are multiple nawasibul fi'lil mudare. Okay, it means that they are used with only fi'l al-mudari. Fi'l al-mudari they will used, not with madi or any. Their use is they have effect on fi'l al-mudari. But most important thing, this list, this should be on our fingertips whenever it comes. That how many nawasibul fi'l al-mudari, we should just say it without thinking. First, this finger, an li kay idan hatta aw fa sababiyya. This is fa basically. So this is called fa sababiyya. It is for use for sabab, means for reason. An lan li kay izan hatta aw fa sababiyya. An lan li kay. We already, I think, in the second session recently, when we are studying Surah Ibrahim, and we came across through some verses where this li was used, lam k was used, and but this k is also used in Quran at one or two places. So an lan li k idan hatta aw fa sababiyya. So first of all, just this should be on our fingertips. I would go to Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr. I know he will not respond. Okay, brother Abu Al-Adi,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell me about Nawasibul Fi'lil Mudari?
I think there are
Same.
eight letters.
Yeah,
An, like, isan, ata, how, fa, sabibib.
Fa Sababiyya. Can you please repeat them again?
An, like, isan, ata, how, fa, sabibib.
Yeah, mashallah. Thank you. We all always observe that whatever we say that, and when we never got disappointed whenever we ask you something, you just responded correctly, 100%. Mashallah. Thank you very much. So I would go to Emma.
Yes.
Yes, can you please just give me, if I ask you, how many Nawasibul Fi'l al-Mudari?
Um, I
Just
think,
say it. Okay. First, read it.
okay. لن لي كي إذا حتى أو فاسبابية.
Yeah, this is the list. This is in this order. If we just keep it in this order, we can just remember it. So it is up to you that if you have any other order, but this is if we just keep in order, so we will remember and we will not miss anything. So an lan li kay izan fahatta aw fa sababiyya. These are called, Emma, what do we say them?
نواصب الفعل المضارع.
They will be used
مضارع.
with فعل mudare. With
فعل
فعل
مضارع.
mudare. Okay, and these are called nawasib. Nawasib, it is the plural of nasab, and we already know the status of and uh, that how what is this nasab called. So how they affect that, we already know that. But just for revision purpose, I will just repeat those points again. For singular failul mudare, it will put fatha on the last letter, and we know that. Like yaf'alu, what will be the according to this, Emma? Can you please tell me yaf'alu? And if I put an before that, so it will become an
أن يفعل.
yaf'ala. Very good. Yaftahu will become
أن يفتح.
yadribu will become
أن يضرب.
ribu. Yeah, it says that except second person feminine because there is noon, because then that will be just noon will be dropped. And then for the dual and plural failul mudare, it will drop the noon. It will drop the noon, and it will have no effect on madi. That's why they are called nawasibul failul mudare. Again, whenever it comes nawasibul failul mudare, anlan li kay iza hatta awfa sababiyya. Now next step is what they do. They just put the fatha on the singular, and whenever there will be noon will come, so it will be the last letter noon that will be dropped. Like yadribuna will become yadribu. So this will be nawab because of nasib. And we already have seen in different example. So here we have the case like yaf'alu. Any of the nawasibul fail al mudare we put here, so it will become yaf'ala. Af'alu become af'ala. And if there is a noon like yaf'aluna, taf'aluna, it will be yaf'alu. Taf'aluna will become taf'alu. If noon is the ending letter, that will be dropped. Otherwise, like yaf'alu, taf'alu, afalu, and also nafalu. It is also plural, but there is no noon, so it will just the last letter will become fatha. So yafalu become yafala, tafalu tafala, nafalu nafala. Why? Whenever there will be any of these from the list, these are called nawasibul fail al mudare. Like if it is, for example, dual, yaf'alani will become yaf'ala, taf'alani will become taf'ala, naf'alu will become naf'ala. We already practiced on this. So this all only this case. Brother Shoaib, can you please just revise this nawasibul failul mudare?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
So we have
Yeah, say it.
unlearn, li, and
Kay,
unlearn, kai.
iza,
Then we have iza, hatta,
fa
be,
sababiyya.
fa, sabbiya, and
Yeah,
aw.
yeah. So what they do?
They change the haraka from dhamma to fatha
They
on
just
the
change
last
it to
letter.
they make mudare nasab. First, we have to say that they make mudare as
Nasab.
nasab, and we know that how nasab it will be. If it is there is no noon at the end, like yafalu, tafalu, nafalu, they will become yafala. Taf'alu will become taf'ala, naf'alu will become naf'ala. And if there is a noon at the end, noon will be dropped.
No
Like
one will be dropped.
taf'alani, it is dual. So what will be
Yeah.
nasab? Form nasab will be taf'alani.
Alani, it will be taf ala.
Taf'ala. Okay. And taf'aluna will become
Taf aluna, taf alu.
تفعل. So if I say here تنفقوا, what is actually here it was,
تنفقون
and because of.
حتى.
Okay. Similarly, can you please tell here تنفعكم? Actually, it should be
It should be تن تن تنفع
تنفع. Because of
because of learn.
it becomes
It becomes nawasib.
no تنفع. It becomes تنفع. Thank you. تنجين. Tanjin, can you please tell me that what it is actually it was? Tanjin, you there?
I'm here, but I want no part of this.
Okay, just tell me that about this. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so say it.
تخرج
So actually it should be
تخرج
no,
أو
no.
no.
تخرج.
تخرج
It should be تخرج. أخرج
تخرج
يخرج يخرجون تخرج. There is no.
تخرج
So now it becomes
تخرجون
No, where is تخرجون?
تخرج
تخرج. Why it is تخرج?
نواصب الاسم
نواصب.
اسم
No, is
نواصب
it
الفعل
ism?
المضارع
Yeah, it is not ism. It is nawasib al-fi'l al-mudari.
فعل المضارع
Okay, can you please tell me about this? What it is actually?
تنال
No.
تنال
Wow.
تنال
Is there tana? Actually, it should be nala yanalu. What is the plural of yanalu? Can you please complete the table?
ينالون تنال تنالون
Tanaluna. This is tanaluna. So what happened here?
It was dropped.
Noon is dropped.
Noon is dropped
Because of
because of فعل مضارع because of
nawasibul.
نواصب الفعل
So how many nawasibul fi'l al-mudari there are?
2
No. Do you see the list?
8
Yeah, say it.
أن لن لي حتى أو فاس
Sabawi. Can you please repeat again? If I ask you, Nawasib, tell me about Nawasib al-Fi'l al-Mudari.
أن لن لي كي حتى أو فاسب
Fa?
فا
Fa sababiyya. Fa.
سببية
Yeah, let's say fa. Then in that case.
فاسببية
Okay. Anlan li kai hatta au fa sababiyya. What they do? For singular or there is no noun, so what it does?
singular it's put on a noon فعل المضارع is alif is put on the last letter.
Last letter, they will put fatha. If it is there
Fatha
is
is
a
put on the
noon,
last letter.
if there is a noon, like in dual and feminine and plural, there is a noon, noun will be dropped.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Okay, can you please tell me about this?
وأنت
Actually, it
تقول
was.
I'm not
No, you have to. Tanjeen. Okay, I would go to Sister Nemat.
I don't want
Tanjeen, can you please just say Yaqulu, complete the table you want to do? Okay, Nemat,
Yes.
go ahead and can you please explain this?
Takulu is takuluna, and because of and the nun was dropped.
So it becomes
Takulu.
an taqulu. So can you please tell me the nawasib al-fi'l al-mudari?
an, lan, li, kay, hatta, إذا, أو, fa sababiyya.
And what they do?
They they make the fi'l mudari nasab.
Yeah. And if there is a noon at the end, noon will be
Dropped.
dropped. Like any noon. Noon come in three cases. It can be in plural. It can be in feminine case. Also in the dual. So noon will be dropped from there. Like taftahna will be, noon will be. So in this case, it will be same. So we have here like yaf'alani, it will be yaf'ala. Taf'alani will be taf'ala. Okay, thank you. The next thing is we have similar list, different list, and that is called Jawazimul Fi'lil Mudari. Jawazimul Fi'lil Mudari. And we have li lam lamma, la, this is called Nahiya, in man ma aynama. Li lam lamma la, in man ma aynama. So what the same thing, but the only thing is change, instead of nawasib, we have jawazim. So for singular, all the case, mudare yafalu, tafalu, afalu, nafalu, it will put a jazam on that. And if it is known, so it will be dropped, except this case. So noon will be dropped. So li lam lamma, la in man ma aynama. Abdullah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum. So Jawazimul Fi'l al Mudari are?
They are li, lam, lamma, la, in, man, ma, aynama.
Okay. So what did they do?
They put damma on
Dhamma?
no. They put
Jawazam.
they put a
For
jawazam
singular, they will put
on fi'l al-madari singular. They put a jawazam on the
jazam. They will put jazam.
jazam on the last letter.
Okay.
And for plural that ends with noon in fi'l al-madari, the noon is dropped.
Okay, like yaf'alu will become?
Yaf'al.
Af'alu will become?
Af'al.
Naf'alu?
Naf'al.
Okay. And if it is yaf'aluna, it will be?
Yaf'alu.
Yaf'alu. And taf'alani will be?
Taf'ala.
Taf'ala. And here two cases like yaf'alna and taf'alna. This is for feminine. They will not change. They will have the same singular. They will be like yaf'alna will become yaf'alna. So af'alu will become af'al. Naf'alu will become naf'alu. And how many they are? Li, lam, lamma, la, in, man, ma, aynama. So this two topic just we revised today. So we have to go for the second session.